I'm Coach Hayden, and what I have learned is that I am small, but great. I may not be the Shaq of basketball who I once dreamed of being. I may not have arms strong enough to throw the perfect pass. I may not have feet big enough to buy grown-up shoes, but I am great. I will fight like the best of champions. If you believe in me, I will fight for you. But if I believe in you, I will fight harder.